Shocking case studies. How Chris Gimmer generated 17,584 visitors in one day. Chris Gimmer is the founder of Bootstrap Bay, a marketplace for website themes built using the ever-popular development framework Bootstrap. Chris knew he was getting into a very competitive niche, so he needed a good strategy to get started. Objective. His objective was to heavily promote his new product without having an initial social build-up, because he didn't have too many social connections to speak of. What he found was that even when his competitors had a huge fan base, they weren't actively marketing their sites with SEO or marketing content. He saw this as a golden opportunity for Bootstrap Bay to quickly grab some market share. Strategy. He started to use grade A contextual backlinks, which bumped up Bootstrap Bay's domain authority, which boosted the rankings of every page on Chris's site. Result. Bootstrap Bay's content has been shared over 240,000 times on social media, bringing in 17,584 visitors in one day to Chris's site. It also generated over 204,000 total visitors over the last 4 months. The Bootstrap Bay homepage now ranks number 9 for Bootstrap themes on Google with 12,100 monthly searches. How the skyscraper technique increased search engine traffic to Brian Dean's blog by 110% in 14 days. Brian Dean is the founder of Backlinko, a training hub for digital marketing pros with over 110,000 monthly readers and a popular email newsletter. Objective. His main objective was to boost the number of backlinks to a post called Google's 200 Ranking Factors, the complete list, with the execution of the skyscraper technique, a technique that Brian says almost guarantees you'll get high-quality links for every piece of content that you publish. Strategy. The strategy was to publish a piece of content that people would consider to be among the best and stack more content on top of it. That way, creating a piece of content that would have something for everybody in it, making it more shareable. It worked because he took an already popular subject and made it longer, with better design, and handed it to the right people. Results. The number of backlinks to that page shot up like a rocket. That single post has driven more than 300,000 referral visitors to Brian's site in a short span of time, and traffic to his entire site doubled after the post was published. How Google launched a promotional video to make it a million shares winner. Google, one of the biggest and most successful internet companies in the world, launched a simple yet cute video campaign to keep promoting its Android mobile operating system. Objective. Google's objective was to rival its own prior video campaign, which launched under the name of Be Together, Not the Same, in 2014. Strategy. The strategy pursued by Google was to emphasize how emotions driven by substance in content lead to success by placing different animals together across several 1-minute videos. The video campaign was aptly named Friends Forever and was aimed at inciting a tender response from viewers. Results. The video campaign is now the most shared ad of all time. It has been shared 6.4 million times across Facebook, Twitter, and countless blogs. How Listerine broke records with social engagement. Listerine is the acclaimed oral health products manufacturer we all know and love. They decided to launch an unusual marketing campaign branded at a large yet focused regional audience. Objective. The objective of the brand was to push the young demographics of Hong Kong to use Listerine mouthwash every day, twice a day. Furthermore, they wanted to show its audience the risk associated to poor oral health through an entertaining message. Strategy. Listerine went against all odds when it launched its Kabi Dan campaign in Hong Kong, a marketing campaign based on a regional specific cultural aspect that defines boldness. They went with a known celebrity in the country and invited its audience to always be prepared with Listerine products by using a clever and brief video. Results. The video ended up being Listerine's most successful ad to date, with over 100,000 views in less than 24 hours, and a total of 1 million views in a mere 100 hours. How Aqua's hair scored over 44% more traffic and over 20% more sales. Aquas is a hair towel manufacturer from California, the brainchild of Britta Cox, who, as a busy person, in a quest to find a solution to keep her hair beautiful and healthy using conventional towels, had no option but to invent the perfect towel herself. Objective. The objective of the brand was to make the small California company bigger and better. While Aquas has had some success in the past when it was featured on a series of YouTube videos, it needed a stronger push. So its marketing team knew it was about time to use some influencer action. Strategy. Much of what makes Aquas products great comes from how they combine emotion and science into an irresistible package, a message that is quite easy to convey and deliver. Knowing this, the marketing team behind Aquas decided to use the power of social media and social engagement, knowing that peer pressure is a big factor in the consumer buying cycle. The strategy was to release several videos with Aquas products being featured in them, but the team decided to use a more cost-effective approach than content advertising to easily drive adoption of the products. To use influencers, which today are helping brands to gain better media exposure and brand awareness on platforms such as YouTube. They released 38 videos featuring several influencers showcasing the benefits obtained from using Aquas products, which felt natural and right at home for most YouTube visitors. Results. During the first week of the campaign, the Aquas brand saw a significant surge in the numbers that they were used to. 118,458 views, a 44% increase in traffic to the company website, and a 20% increase in sales.